Sometimes having the flu feels like death. Your skin is all chapped from living in a box of Kleenex. If you look like this, seriously, please call a doctor. You may need medical help. This FX makeup tutorial is simply called Infected. Maybe this time of year some of you can relate. For a list of products used in this tutorial, check out the video description below.
It is Friday, bros and ghouls. Illusionist here with another tutorial. For real.
Start by prepping the skin wherever your Outbreak will be. I decided to use Tinsley Transfer's Outbreak series for this particular tutorial. Use a sharp pair of scissors to cut the transfers into different segments one by one. A lot of this application is shown at normal speed, so you can really get a feel for the application process. When the desired shape is cut, peel back the transparent plastic film. The 3D transfer will pull off with it. Immediately flip the sheet over and reapply it to the shiny, sticky backing. Any overlapping plastic can be trimmed with a sharp pair of scissors. The second layer of plastic will reveal the sticky side of the transfer. Press the sticky side of the transfer onto your skin and wet the backing with a saturated cloth. During this process, it helps to wet your fingers in the event you touch the sticky transfer. If there are any uneven spots or wrinkles, go over the piece with a wet cloth by dabbing lightly. The 3D transfer surface wants to cling to anything it comes in contact with. It's like an awful booger that never goes away. Attempt to press any air bubbles out of the plastic before peeling the next layer away. It's truly like applying fake tattoos. Saturate the backing thoroughly with water and press into place. The piece should be held in place for 30 seconds to a minute. When you feel confident, pull the backing away slowly. The sticky transfer material should evenly adhere to your skin. As a final tip for application, I found that a small amount of 99% alcohol could be used to dissolve any lifted edges or unwanted boogers. Here I'm dissolving a wrinkly edge that did not want to cooperate with my nose. Next, I sealed the transfer piece using Nye Final Seal. Shield your eyes and allow to dry thoroughly. Now it's time to add some color. I used alcohol activated makeup from Skin Illustrator. Build up washes of skin tones to best match the transfers to your face. I used rice paper and Natural One along with very subtle hints of the rose and olive adjuster. For irritation and inflammation, I added a wash of rose adjuster around each bump to create more contrast. For surface highlights, I used the Skin Illustrator On-Set FX palette. I mixed combinations of yellow, white, and orange for the high areas. I felt this made the boils appear more boil-like and less like warts. Success! For some final touches, I added a lot of aged blood and subtle bruising around the nostrils and lips. This made the skin appear more chafed and irritated. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I have a lot planned for 2018, so comment and subscribe. Happy New Year, and much love to you all.